Hey roomies, welcome back to my channel, and today is Face Mask Fridays.
Show me my love, oh God, show me sweet love, yeah.
So before we go ahead and get started, I want to thank each and every one of you for tuning into my channel. If you are a new subscriber, don't forget to hit that like button. Go ahead and comment and hit that subscribe button so you can be notified my videos have been uploaded, along with the push notification bell. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so very much for continuing growing with me, and let's get right into the video. So for today's mask that we'll be reviewing, it's this one. It is by Miss Spa. This mask is to exfoliate and reveal smooth skin. It comes with one pre-treated facial sheet mask. It is paraben, artificial dye, and sulfate free, and it says results in 20 minutes. So let's go ahead and read these directions. So step 1, unfold mask and remove paper backing. Don't be scared, it will look lovely on you. 2, pat mask onto clean, dry skin, gently massage, pressing edges until it fully adheres to your pretty face. 3, turn off the phone and close your eyes for 20 minutes. Daydream about being queen. Number 4, remove mask and gently pat remaining solution into skin. Hello, gorgeous. This is for all skin types. Now, I must say, I love how they have the steps on the back. I just love that. And if my voice sound kind of, raspy or deep or anything, I literally woke up. It's 7:06, an hour ago. I woke up an hour ago. So at the top of it, it says, discover the beauty of spa results at home. Is it love or my exfoliating facial mask? Both. Dull, tired skin gets gently sloughed away, revealing a fresh, glowing complexion and a whole new radiance. You're bound to fall in love with XO Miss Spa. This is so cute. So let's go ahead. So since I've been doing these Face Mask Fridays, I can honestly say that my skin has been glowing. Okay, how do we open this? There we go. But yeah, my skin has been glowing, aside from the little breakouts that I do get, but nothing major. My face isn't breaking out that much. I'm still on the hunt for, just see that little bubble on the eye? I'm still on the hunt for a daily cleanser that I can use. I haven't found one yet. I'm still looking. So if y'all know any good daily cleansers that I could use, leave it down in description. Leave it down in the comment section below. I'm having a hard time opening this. Okay. I dropped it. Okay. This one is, smells good. Doesn't smell weird. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time doing this. Okay, there you go. Okay, we have it down, so now we just have to wait 20 minutes. Let's get the timer rolling. So 20 minutes have passed, and it's now time to take this off and rub in the excess. This feels so refreshing. Now look at my face. It looked like this how my face look when I'm at work. Sweaty. So back to my skin glowing and looking good. Along with the mask, what I am doing is drinking a bunch of water. I'm drinking like 29 fluid ounce bottles a day. And then along with that water I'm doing. So how I would do it is I'll drink the water, the jug of water, the 1 gallon, the gallon of water one day, and then do 4 bottles the next, and switch it up. That's how I've been doing it. And oh my gosh, my face, it looks so refreshing. I don't know if y'all could like see it on the camera, but my face looks so refreshing and I love it. Oh. I am like in shock. I really don't know if y'all can see it on camera, but when I'm looking in the mirror, my face, this is great. This is great. I got it from Walmart again. Got it from Walmart. It was $1.94. And this, my face is smooth. My face looks refreshed. Face is smooth. Face looks refreshed, and I will be using this. This is another one added to my collection. This is another one added to my collection. It is worth the $1.94. It is worth it. So we have come to the end of this video. Once again, do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And don't forget to hit that push notification bell so you can know when my videos have been uploaded. Thank you so very much for tuning in. Until next one, roomies. Bye. So go off of you so fast. Don't do that. Okay? We don't do that.